is Rosina's Italian Kitchen, and today I'm demonstrating how to put together Margherita pizza. However, this is a very brief demonstration. Hopefully we'll get to something more detailed in the near future. Now I'm putting the shredded mozzarella cheese that you can buy just about any place. And then when we finish putting that on, sprinkle a little oregano and Parmesan cheese. And then at the end, after it's baked a bit, I'm going to put the sweet basil. Now that we have the sweet basil in, we're ready to put it in the oven to bake. It looks like the pizza's ready. Here it is. This is a Margherita pizza and we're ready to eat.